Today we're going to talk about quack grass. So this is grass. And you can see how much is mostly root. You can just pull it out. This is quack grass, and it is a lot harder. You basically have to follow it along the bottom. You see that is called an adventitious root. So everywhere it gets broken off, it sends roots. Here's some more. But basically it's like one big line. There's one of my perennials. You see here's another piece of it. So to get rid of quack grass, you're gonna just have to pull it all the way through and dig it up. As soon as you break it, it will start to make more roots. Very hard to get rid of. Roundup does not work, and you can kind of see why. Roundup is a vegetation killer, and this, all its energy is in its roots. So you just gotta follow it along and get rid of it that way. And this one's fun because it went right into my perennial. So you see.